Alright, we at some more shit, y'all. I'm in my bedroom because I don't feel like reacting in my studio. I've been getting a few requests to this song called Rap. I'm not sure what it is. It's called Shake by, I guess you pronounce it IShow Speed. I don't know who this is. Another person I have never heard of. And I'm going to be honest with you, I usually won't take a chance. And I believe people say or they're mumble rappers, whatever the hell that's supposed to be. I don't know anything about mumble rapping because I don't listen to it. I'm not a fan of it at all. So I highly doubt if y'all see more than what you're about to get now. It's a chance. It depends if I like it. Y'all know how I keep it real. But I don't know. I'm not a fan of mumble rapping. And I don't know if this person or a group, whoever they may be, are mumble rappers. But I'm about to see now and check this out. I'm only doing this because it was requested. But I'm not sure about this, y'all. I don't know. But before we get into that, what up, YouTube? It's your boy RDS. And let's go. Let me go get me a drink first, then we're going to get started. All right, y'all, let's check this out.
MC, make another hit.
Project X.
Ha, hey, turn me up. Hey, turn me up. Hey, turn me up. 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 Ha.
I ain't gonna lie though, I love to see the young brothers out here, doing their thing, trying to come up, trying to make their money. That part I do love. So maybe I gotta listen to it because I gotta show them love. I gotta support them. They're out here trying to make a living, and I respect that. I do, and I love this part. So I might end up checking these dudes out. If it's a group, then yeah. Even if it's a single person, I'm gonna do it because I gotta show I gotta support the brothers. I have to. And the little kids.
Hey. Wanna hop on the shit and I'm dropping the 6 in the back and I rock my Vans. I get in my chill, I swear to God, minute, I put it, I put that I'm friend. Niggas up with a chop with a stick shake. Niggas up with a chop with a me, man. Wanna chop with a stop with a speed. Niggas stop with a chop with a feel like a beat. Bet with a chop. Niggas don't skip they. With a chop with a feel like a belay. With a chop with a feel like a relay. Jump with a chill and I feel like a relay. Race. Niggas just putting up steak. Niggas don't crack on a bake. Baking the D's and I'm fucking the D. Like job, let's play. Rah, till motherfucker Verber. Shot them in the MC Verber. Wanna chop with a cop on the car cart. Niggas don't chop when I feel like a word. Hey, when I hop on a jersey, niggas don't dick so.
Okay. I understand some shit that he's saying. One thing I do love about this, the energy level. They have a lot of damn energy, and that's what I want to see in videos. I want to see these artists out here dancing, moving around, having fun, showing that they actually love what they're doing, and it seems like they do. That's an absolute joy to watch. It is. The music is, I don't know if it's a mix of mumble rapping and speed rapping. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's mostly speed rapping. You really got to hear this guy. So I'm definitely going to have to listen to this again with my headphones. But I am catching some of the bars.
I gotta get started. Niggas don't work, but I gotta get buddy. I gotta get dizzy, I gotta get it started. I hop on a chop with a now with the game. Niggas don't think, man, I feel like a rain. Nigga ball with a chop with a feel like a name. With a chop with a feel like a bang. Bake my speed. Making you see. Like, fuck you, me. Back in that grade, ain't know what to do. Niggas don't think when I bump in the stool. But I'm on my stuff, but I'm fucking the cool. Like, fucking you, but with a chop with a dude, I'm sitting out speed game. Now that nigga speed game. With a hop with a G, with a chop with a feeling, I'm in like a rename. I feel like a real, my nigga, my turtle, I'm running, I'm feeling that niggas, I feel like a bet. But in my city, I feel like a bit of niggas, so rich, I would have done like what? Like what? I said now what? Now what?
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slow. Here I come.
Shake now bow now bounce that ass, bounce that ass, bounce that ass, now suck that cock, now suck that cock.
Hold on. All right, IShow Speed. I get you. But
Shake that ass, shake that ass, shake that ass, shake that ass. I said now shake that ass, 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 shake that ass. We out this bitch, nigga. Buy that merch, link in the description, nigga. Fuck you mean? Hey, don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Hey, don't you come back no more.
What you say?
this rap has over 3 million, almost 4 million views. So people are listening to this. This can go either way, you know what I'm saying? I enjoy the energy level. I enjoy the dancing. You know, I see the young brothers out there, you know, they trying to, you know, do their thing. Like I say, I'm pretty sure he's been out for a while. And by having over 3 million views, it's obviously a hit. It's a you know, it's a few parts in there. I was like, but I'm gonna have to check him out again because I love the energy level. And he had some bars up in there. It was a lot of speed rapping up in there. So I'm gonna take a chance, y'all. So hit me up in the comments and let me know some more music from IShow Speed that I can listen to. Something that y'all know about. And as always, hit me up in the comments and let me know what y'all think of this reaction, think of that video. And as always, y'all already know, hit that subscribe button, click that bell for them notifications. Y'all know I'm checking out the comments. I don't do a lot of reactions anymore because I'm a busy man, but I am going to get to it. And I'm going to stick with it because I thank y'all for subscribing to my channel. As always, until next time, peace, love, and deuces.